Let's solve this Leetcode challenge 1295. It's an easy question, but it was asked in Dell and Samsung phone interview question. The constraints given to us are one, num's length can be 1 to 500, and the num's value can range from 1 to 10 raised to 5. So I'm gonna tell you three methods for to solve this problem, and as well as some interview tips and how we can improve our runtime at the end. So stay tuned. So the first method would be I would just iterate over each value, convert to string every integer and check if the length is even. If it is, I would increment count by 1 and later on return that count. So this was the first method. Time complexity here would be I'm iterating over the whole nums. So O of n. And for converting each number into string, I would require the time complexity, which would be the number of digits in the nums. So max they can be 10 raised to 5, that means 6 digits, or actually 5 or 6. So O of n, which is 500 into 6, it would be around 3000. So it would get passed for the given constraint. And in an interview setting, you have to ask these constraints from the interviewer. You can ask him that in what range is can our nums value lie. So then they would give you like a value, suppose for integers. So that would also. Second method, we can just use max basic fact. It's equal to log base 10 in nums plus 1. Suppose num is 100. Log base 10, 100 is 2 and plus 1. So it's 3, which is our digits count and which is odd. So it would not be counted in our odd. Only this one would be counted. Answer would be 1. Third method. Here we won't use any built-in library, just basic number and logic of if we divide by 10, the units place gets eliminated. We would do that until all the digits are eliminated. 100 divided by 10, 10. 1 unit is eliminated. Count is increment by 1. Count has become 2 here. Count has become 3 here. And now we would exit our while loop, which would be while num is greater than 0. So this would also be of time complexity O of n into d, where d is the number of digits. But the time complexity would be O of n because mathematical formula takes O of 1 time complexity. So this would be the most optimal approach. You can say that to the interviewer. And for an interview follow-up question, they can ask you that if the nums value can also be 0, how will you handle that? If it can also be 0, here if we put 0, the log value becomes undefined. So you can say I would handle it separately. If nums is 0, I would just return 1 because 1 digit, basically 0 is also 1 digit. So that would be it. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I have posted the link to the solution in various coding languages in the description. You can check it out from there. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.